What's up, Photo Booth family? Your Uncle Drew, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can duplicate a previous event to make it into a new one using the new dashboard from Lumabooth. Before doing this, you'd have to do it on the iPad, and I've already made videos on that, but the dashboard is where now your Uncle Drew is making all of his events. I'm utilizing the dashboard. So you go to dash.lumabooth.com, right? Just like that. Boom. You're going to log in to your Lumabooth account. It should take you to this page here. You go to the event page and you click where it says create new event. You go to duplicate previous event and you find the event where you want the same settings. Everything will transfer over. So let's just scroll down here. Let's find one I want to copy. Let's just say this one right here. She mastered it. You go to duplicate event, and up here is where you change the name of the event. Let's just say this is for a wedding, right? Or a different graduation. Let's just put Drew's grad party. Whatever, right? You select the date. Let's just say it's for May 30th. You go to here, event. We'll just type in, I don't think this is too important, but you put whatever event type you want. You go to create. And now what it's doing, it's creating the duplicate event with the new name, but it's transferring all of the settings over. Look, even the template. See, even the template that we had here is done. But again, you can come in here and change, but all of the settings will transfer over. So once you make this, let's just say you close it out, right? Or you just go back. Now, when you open up your iPad, you'll be able to see that event you just copied in Lumabooth. That way you can launch it. So I really do think that the new dashboard is a game changer. It's something I'm using for every event, and you'll probably never see me setting up events on my iPad. Those days are in the past. The dashboard is the future. So thank you for watching this video, and make sure go to photobooth101.com to get all of your photo booth equipment. And if you're new to Lumabooth, you haven't created your account, you're interested in signing up, and if you learn from me, use the link we have that Lumabooth gave us to create your account, pay for the software, right? If you're watching this on YouTube, that's in the description. My TikTok family, that's in my bio. Sign up with a new email. You subscribe, you pay for it, then reach out to me. We'll verify that you did. Then you'll be able to join the Lumabooth group chat that we made from Photo Booth 101. We have a private chat with a lot of people willing to help. So if you're new and you need somebody to help you, we have a chat for that. So thanks for watching. God bless. See you soon. Take care.